I'm Mark Greenaway from Grazing here at the World Office Story in Edinburgh, and I'm going to be cooking in a Jerba campervan, baby roast chicken, roasted hazelnuts, a little bit of cauliflower and some roasted potatoes. First thing you want to do is just very lightly season your chicken. Get a touch of oil in the pan. You don't want it too hot. What you want to be doing is you want to render the fat from under the skin, and you get a really even colour. When you're cooking in a camper van, you need to think of things that will actually cook. This is a bit of a one-pot wonder, which is fantastic. The heat's coming up now, and it's starting to sizzle. So every 2 or 3 minutes, just give it a little check. Make sure it's not getting too much colour. So as the chicken just starts getting a little bit of colour, turn it over. So we opened in April, 7-8 months, so not too long. And it's going really well. We picked up some amazing awards along the way. We've already got some amazing loyal customers, so as a chef, it's all you can really ask for. After the chicken's been turned, I've just got some pre-boiled ratty potatoes. After the chicken's got some nice colour on the other side, just turn it back over to the skin. So once potatoes have just a touch of colour, just a little bit of time, add some pre-blanched cauliflower. So the cauliflower's been cooked for between 4 to 5 minutes. Again, just looking after the colour on your chicken. If it starts to colour a touch too much, just turn it over. Because we live in such a beautiful country, it would be such an amazing way to see it, because you're not tied by anything. You can go wherever you want. You don't have to be back at a hotel at a certain time. We're just going to add some chicken stock and allow that to reduce. We're just going to turn it down ever so slightly. We're just going to add a few little pearl onions, and we're just going to finish the sauce now that it's reduced with just a little bit of butter. So we're just going to mix all that butter in just to give the sauce a lovely sheen, and that's it. We turn it off. So now we're just going to plate it up. You've got to have a little bit of indulgence, don't you? I mean, I think this would probably feed 2 or 1 extremely hungry person. A little bit of pre-roasted hazelnuts. So there we have it, half roast baby chicken, roast potatoes, crushed hazelnuts, a little bit of cauliflower, and a Jerba campervan.